Continuity theory is the concept that describes the essence of everything is a state made of substates at different levels. For example, a person and his behaviors is made of organs communications through connections. And each of those organs is made from cells intercommunicating, and each cell connectivity from a set of molecular interactions, and molecules interactions from specific vibrating atoms. Whereas each bonding atom made from wave particles, and each wave particle from many fundamental particles with wave-like motions. Each of those are intermediate unstable substrates by themselves, and cumulatively builds a layer of the final structure motion of a more stable state. We see that as a unit. In philosophy, it is said that a unit is a state made of layers of being becoming that interchange between those layers of substates is continuous as an essence. A state is never a solid even if looks like a stone, never is a moving structure as a whole. But it is dynamically made of layers of substates. Each unit appears as the cumulative in horizontal rank and integrated substate layers in the vertical ranks. A cumulative and combined rates of interchange in horizontal and vertical integrate a continuum that links the structure of the unit with its motion in general. In other words, a unit is a combination of space-time substrates that in the highest frequency remains in the most stable condition, and its lifetime depends on the stability degree of the combination. A stationary state of combination appears as the body of the unit. The transferring mood between two different relatively substates presents the unit's motion and behavior, and the continuous interchange between the most dispersed substates and most integrated substates will be cognized as its continuum. We are not going in this presentation into the details of the continuity theory subject. However, this theory is also utilized to describe how images, concepts, and thoughts are being formed. For example, in language, a letter or alphabet is made of symbol, sound, and meaning. A word is a combination of letters and pronunciation. A phrase is made of words combination. A sentence is made of meaningful phrases. A paragraph is made of connecting sentences. And so, these layers of language formation are themselves based on thought generation. And thought generation itself is based on brain activities, which has partly material estates based on many substates. In this presentation, I discuss the base for image and concept formation that generates the meaning for the language as per the continuity theory, and its definition of continuous integration and dispersion of substates with the related rate of exchanges between those related substates. If this introduction would be not enough clear, I hope to explain that in more detail in the next slides. Lorentz chaotic waterwheel strain carrier waves are made of crotocortical communication by horizontal strain energy traveling between neural assemblies and limbic and brainstem radial inputs to and from the neural assemblies over the cortex. Neural assemblies are like a filling draining bucket in a Lorentz wheel.